Oh, look who's out here. Hey, Javier. Did you guys get lunch yet? I've got a reservation for 6 at Gapplebee's. We're in an 87 Grand National with 477 wheel horsepower. We're going to look at 2 488 challenge cars right now. Just got the Pan de Bonos. It's like a cheese ball, right? We're headed to Hollandale Beach right now to HP Tech Motorsports. That's my old stomping grounds. I used to do all the team logistics for them. I used to work for George and Papi, which is Juan, that's his father. They used to do Formula 2000, and then they did Ferrari Challenge, and they're still continuing to do Ferrari Challenge. We're going to look at 2 488 challenge cars right now that we're going to consign for them. Let's go for the journey. Oh, we're in an 87 Grand National with 477 wheel horsepower. We just broke loose on the highway.
God, do you feel that jumping when it kicks in? It's ridiculous.
So we're gonna get off on Hollandale Beach Boulevard. Right when you hit Miami, there's just like, oh, this is it. Look at this. Only in date, maybe. Yeah, one of the cool things about this car is obviously the ice cold air, but the speedometer is 145 mile an hour speedometer. And this actual build has 51 miles on it since it was done. They did a complete repaint on the exterior. It's running a larger turbo, bigger injectors. It's running on methanol. This thing eats tires. I mean, you missed out, but when we left that little Gapplebee meeting, we brake boosted it at around 10 miles per hour, and we spun until 85. So I think we need to buy some Mickey Thompsons for this thing. This is Hollandale Beach Boulevard. There's an amazing bakery called Beauty's Bakery. We might stop there and get some bread balls. I think this is it. I missed it completely. I'll turn around and I'll get to it. We're pulling up to the bakery right now. They have the best little, I don't know what they're called. They're like cheese balls, but we're gonna get a couple for the guys at the race shop. Let's go ahead and get in there. We just got the Pan de Bonos. That's what they're called. They're Colombian specialty. It's like a cheese ball, right?
Yeah.
It's nice. Let me cover this up. Off to HP Tech we go. Right here is the old shop I used to work at, but they moved it since then, and I believe it's down the street. They have a huge facility now. We're not going to show that because it's an undisclosed location. So here's a trailer I helped them build. They're loading up for, I don't know what race, but I'm sure George will tell us. We just left HP Tech. We've got 2 cars that we're going to go back on Friday to do a full photo shoot. We're going to get them on the lift so we can take underside shots. These are 488s. They should be selling within the sub 200 range. We're going to push them. We're going to use a couple of different venues, and we're also going to do a nice video to showcase these beautiful cars. Thanks for taking a ride with us today. Give us a call if you have any questions, 954-363-2261. Let's get back into boost here. We're on day 2 of the process, so we came back to HP Tech. We took tons of photos, we brought it out, we took some more video. If you guys like this content, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you guys have ever gone to a shop like this, let us know in the comments below. Thanks again. Have a great day. Another day at work.